respected ones, you who hides in the darkness to throw stones and the light, I have concluded my assignment. And Mike is now in our clutches.
Oh. Thank you, Ken. You have been a trusted aid in this coven. We will make sure we pay you back generously for this. Ooh. Our morning dew. You will bring him in so that we can milk his manhood dry.
Against the rule of darkness,
I am glad of what happened to Into. You have to take advantage of that and hurry up before another man expresses interest.
No, that is not possible.
It is possible. Grand Witch favors men. You better hurry up.
What can I do again?
Now listen to me. You have to go back to your son's wife. She is the only option you have now.
That is simply impossible. The girl is too prayerful. Hey.
Auntie Maggie, you are not smart at all. You have to go there physically if the spiritual visit is not working.
Go there physically? Hey.
Go there physically and attack her. You can push her violently on the ground and that will be the end. That was what I did to my late sister.
Mm. 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 Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, the people I'm thinking what you take.
Me, Chiro.
Oh, I couldn't be an enemy.
Back, straight to God.
Sometimes.
No, same to me. Maggie, where are you going?
To the city to visit my son.
Has he invited you?
Do I need invitation before visiting my own son?
Honestly, you need it. How would he know he can accommodate you?
Well, I'm off. I'll spend about 1 week before coming home.
It's your husband. Your boy is your husband. For a woman, your customer is.
Oh, shut up.
For a woman, customer is.
Missy, shut up. Brunton Brahman was fantastic.
Your back as well, you can.
What is it?
What's a meme?
Doing him.
Well, you know, who should have said, oh, Bemba Kutu. That's what you can handle. Huh?
You see what's on you. I'm saying, no question on you.
Well, you know, we did not know some. We are no good.
And me also always says, in the apple.
I said, I work out. I'm very serious.
Mama.
Hello.
You're up already.
I'm up already.
I thought you'd rest a little longer.
My old bones are fully rested.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my dear. How was your sleep?
It was okay.
Fred, how are you?
I'm fine. We are leaving.
Right.
Fred, open the gate. Samson has traveled.
Yes, sir.
All right, then. I'll see the two of you later.
See you later.
Mama, I'll be with you soon. Have you taken the list?
Yes.
And to collect those things from that shop.
Okay.
No problem. I wanted to see the doctor. See you. you take this morning?
Stupid girl. Do you want to kill me? Do you want them to kill me?
Oh, so it is you who took away my child from my stomach. You are a witch.
Me a witch?
You are a witch.
Me a witch?
You are a witch.
Me a witch?
Oh, you are a witch. Oh, Mama, don't do this. Mama, you are a witch. Mama, please help me. Hey! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Mama, please. Mama, please. Somebody help me!
Eto. Kabiri bichram. Adi chimpele uyefuni ayakase.
Jam.
Adam da ngofo wakeka ngoko yimi.
Mother baby, I dare go bring you in.
Na na wunyi benyi na ebe dinka enyesa. Uyefuni ide azo.
I'm not catch that as man so am twinti. You be akwa ham what to do.
Yo, so yenyi sanida. Hey. Ya bashe. Wawara ma yahye. Wawu ma yahye. Wawu matrinity. Wawu edadedu. Wawu mama gwaru ba. Wawu mama matrinity. Ya wa ha ya bashe. Sati, ya wa ha ya bashe. Wawu ma yahye. Wala bomu.
How's my wife? Doc, how's she?
I'm very sorry, Mr. Mike. She lost too much blood.
You mean my wife is dead?
I'm very sorry. There is nothing we can do.
Oh,
if she had been brought here, then...
God! No! Sheila, no!
Sheila! Oh my God! Sheila, don't do this to me! What do you want me to do now?
Madam, I don't feel the presence of the baby in your womb.
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't think the baby is in your womb.
Hey! No! How can this happen?
It's okay. It's okay. It shall be well with you.
No, madam.
You'll be fine.
Madam, are you sure you're right? Oh,
Yes.
Lord. Lord have mercy. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
No!
Stop crying. You're all right. Stop crying.
Mama, you left. And I came to find my wife in a pool of blood. You left her to die.
I told you I don't know what you're talking about. When I was coming, Sheila was all right. In fact, she saw me off.
Then how come I didn't know of your plans of living?
I decided to leave and I left. Can't I do whatever I like?
Margaret, this is what I don't like. How can you leave your own son's house without letting him know?
Or will you shut up and keep your smelly mouth out of this?
Mama, I've warned you to stop talking to Papa that way. He is the head of the family. Stop treating him like a houseboy.
Oh, you are now a grown-up. You are coming to face me. Face me. Face me now. Face me.
It's all right. Don't let that bring quarrel. I don't care if it will bring a quarrel. How can my own mother be so wicked to me? My own mother. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
How can this happen to me?
Mafwa, what is wrong?
She said there is no baby in my womb.
That can't be possible. How can the baby disappear from your womb? Oh, just calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Lord, please have mercy.
Calm down.
Lord, I don't have anyone. Lord,
Agent, so you're no corridor being a wobble there. Nipakuno board and pay them.
I will see a butter. Now, on back one, madam. Bahano Basa. We need about to rent.
Adi, Australia, or young Captain Bienda. I mean, how would me? Sabotage to Tumika, Mukrino, Wow, I am a how. Tabaya, young one for
Young one. You tell me your Christian to Mogwakon for you.
well, I'll chapel. 9
Chapel. And you don't think what on them going now. Go quick, when you are away. So, Yakubo, I'll hear you more. I shall come.
Ken, I think my mother deliberately wanted to kill my wife.
Jesus Christ. Mike, I don't think so.
Then, why did she leave for the village when she saw Sheila bleeding? I'm beginning to suspect she's a witch.
Oh, come on. Look, Mike. I think you're being too hard on your mother. And that's not fair.
You talk about fairness. I mean, is it fair to lose my wife?
Oh, I know, but you've got to take it easy. You've got to.
all hail Margaret! Sister Margaret! She has shown that she has the right attitude to be among us. And Because of that, the committee of the Inner Caucus has decided to promote her to the vacant position of deputy graduate.
It is so! It is so!
Margaret! Come and stand here! With this, I proclaim you my Margaret! Margaret! You must have something to say!
Yes, most respected one. I thank everybody today. And to climax this day, I offer the milk from the groin of my son as a special drink for all occasions. And again, his head to be used as a drum to be beaten on all occasions.
All hail Deputy Granwich! Deputy Granwich! We have heard her. We have the authority to tap another man's manhood like wine tap a cat's wine. Yeah! Come and stand here! You are beautiful. As fresh as the morning dew. You will go and marry Margaret's son for us. You will stay strong and touch his milk with this
Aye, unsa
Mayi wuzina yo. Unsa ye unsa so oh kronya me Maggie wuzina yo.
Maggie, Margaret, why are you so happy today?
Do I look too happy? I am not.
Then why are you in this group? Knowing very well what has happened to Mark, your own son has lost his wife.
Have you forgotten Sheila's death is first of the mother? And by tradition, we don't have to brood over it.
But at least not in this joyous mood.
I am not happy. I am following tradition.
Tradition indeed. Maggie, you behave strangely of late.
Unsa ye unsa rasa. Hey, oh gron yeah.
To say yet wa mamage oda adi oda keje posi nti say here
medwene mu adwene papa na medwene na ye mage
ma say do to adwene papa no wo tirim
adi achi adi si adi kasa na ye adwene medwene ho
damada osofo bia bakuru mu ha oye ade papa nti bia nko
osofo
ai
a party ma hwe wa wadwene so utini bom awuta se agim ne se mo kono osofo no kirima na awugina be wan
nti say here
mi mami mre ma tramrim timepia awe bata minabo miwaye minaye
ma tramremo miwaye mepia adwuma na adwuma afunu me
ale ko bi nkwase minaye
ai me siamremo miwaye mi anto na akiri ye kwa ni bu mo be so wo say nko no
nko
mepia adwuma na adwuma afunu me
ale ko bi nkwase mi mami o
ma tramremo miwaye minaye ma tramremo minaye matramremo miwaye
against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So bold,
So, who is this lady? Oh, please, sit down. You are so beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Mike.
Yes.
Meet Hilda, a friend of mine and a student at Kwame Nkrumah University.
It's a pleasure meeting you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
You're so beautiful. So beautiful.
Well, anyway, Hilda, this is Mike, a very good friend of mine and a business tycoon, one of the best around.
You know, you are so beautiful. So beautiful.
Look. Oh, look. Mike.
Yes.
What has come over you? I brought a friend to your office and you're behaving like a small boy.
She's like an angel. Sent from God.
God damn it. Look, Hilda, let's go. Let's go. I'll see you later. Mike.
What a lady.
I don't support this, Mike. How can you be remarrying so soon after the tragic death of your wife? Eh? A family man start thinking that you know something about the death of their daughter.
It doesn't matter, Papa. God knows my hands are clean. And if I should miss this angel that God has presented to me, then I might not even marry again.
I still don't support. You see, you can wait a little longer. Say 2 or 3 months.
Nera, asu konofo, yara. Ah, look at the legs and the mouth. And no toffee. Your lips. Ah. Why are you being so difficult? Sutura Benwa, no aginatem. If man should wait for 10 years, he will remarry. So I don't see the point in him waiting. Look at this beautiful girl. Do you think it's every day that your son brings home a beautiful girl like this? Son, you have my blessing.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
It is still too early. Uyiru yencheri.
What is the latest development on your assignment?
Your Majesty, I need a little time to study him.
How long do you think will be enough for you?
Your Majesty, 17 weeks.
Permission granted. If you need any help, see Margaret.
Aba friend order me a man ordinary will warm me in my heart. Yeah, what better woman I'm not having at the medium. Maybe to be one hammer, about in the medium. About you, ma. See me and that.
You know the regulations regarding this thing. So if you fail to use them, that will be your own headache.
Naba hima. Adi ami yesu yena ye tinami ayo.
Give me some time for me to find a better way to solve your problems for you.
So put on the full armor to withstand in the evil day.
Hi, big bro.
Sister Hilda.
Mike, meet my big brother Finn. Finn, this is Mike, my husband to be.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where do you work?
I've just finished my national service after university, and I've sent out applications looking for a job.
My dear, why don't you stop by the office tomorrow and let me see what I can do for him?
Okay. Let's go meet my parents.
Okay.
Respected ones, you who hides in the darkness to throw stones and the light, I have concluded my assignment. And Mike is now in our clutches.
Thank you, Ken. You have been a trusted aid in this coven. We will make sure we pay you back generously for this. Ooh. Our morning to you. You will bring him in so that we can milk his man would die.
Mike, I've never loved anyone as I love you.
I know.
Do you believe I can protect you?
Love can do so many things. And do you also know that I've never loved anybody like I love you? You know, just ask of anything that you want and I'll give it to you.
You mean you do anything I ask of you?
Of course. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Oh. Be right back.
Okay.
ideal man for every woman. Yet my mission is to destroy him.
Against the rule of darkness of this world.